So the first thing I'm going to do before I put the tape around the edges, I'm going to cut off any excess overhang, any exposed base. I'm just going to check with the scissors to see if I can find any. It looks like there's some there. This is the front hairline. That's the very front center there. Now, Lord Hair cut this off at the factory before boxing it up. But I'm just making sure it's exactly, as good as it can be at the front. Getting into these tiny areas is very hard, though I think I still will choose to get the lip cut off by the factory because they do a pretty good job. It's just not exact. I don't think I can get under with any huge amount of accuracy here. These scissors. I can tell that this is kind of exposed base here because you can see there's no stubble. And I'm going to assume, but I will still check, that there is no exposed base around the rest of it. I don't know how they chop this or sew this in at the factory, but it seems like there's no overhang anywhere. Back here, this is another benefit of putting on a full hair system as a hairpiece. I can see there seems to be a bit there, but it's probably too small to access with scissors this big. And all along there looks kind of a bit shiny. These scissors are just too big to get under. And if I'm going to use tape on this occasion to glue down the front hairline, it's going to look awful anyway. But because I do love tape now, it's my new favorite, I'm going to stick to it. Pun intended. That's about as good as I can do with these scissors, I think. Anything more fine than this would require, it's the white stuff from before when I cut out that. Might wipe that clean. Just try a little bit with these little ones. They're not very sharp, so I'm probably not going to get anything done. I consider that to be done now. Okay,